What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of x squared times secant of 1 over x. We need to use product rule. Derivative of u times v is going to be derivative of u times v plus u times derivative of v. So derivative of x squared is 2x times secant 1 over x plus x squared times derivative of secant 1 over x. So we know derivative of secant u is going to be u prime times secant u times tan u. So it's going to be x squared times derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared times secant of 1 over x times tan of 1 over x. Now let's simplify it. 2x times secant 1 over x plus x squared times negative 1 over x squared is going to be negative 1 times secant 1 over x times tan 1 over x. And then after that you can factor secant of 1 over x times 2x minus tan of 1 over x. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.